Hi everyone, this is Lily. Welcome to my new semi booth. Today I want to show you a demo kit based on metal over thread. Here you can see two PCB board here. They will show our new BLE module ME54BS01. This board is for an lock application and this is for an LED application. Also, you can see a fan here. We already integrated a BLE module in the socket. We use an iPhone and a HomePod from Apple to control the application. Now let's show you how they work. Let's turn on the light. Now it is turned on the light. Let's turn off. You can see. And then let's show you the lock. Turn on and turn off. And now let's use the voice to control the fans. Hi Siri, 打开风扇. See, the fans work. And now let's turn off the fans. Hi Siri, 关闭风扇. Do you like our demo kit based on this metal over thread? Just click our website www.minusemi.com. Bye.